This video will examine some very intriguing price action for XTC, whose 24-hour trading volume was approximately $16.88 million. The market does not move in a straight line, so we may see a push up, a retest of support levels, and then another push to the upside. Based on our indicators, we can see that despite the recent decline, there is still consolidation in play. This video examines Jasmy coin's price action. Jasmy was able to hold the support level, indicating a bullish trend. We were anticipating a push towards the top of the range at the 0.04398098 level, and now Jasmy coin has passed the 200 EMA, so we want to see if it can hold above this level. If it fails again, the price could fall, but if it continues to rise, we could be in for a significant move. Let's examine some of the indications that there is a hidden sour divergence, which is a positive indicator for Jasmy coin because it suggests that we may see more stability before any potential breakdown. For Jasmy coin to succeed, our Z-score signal indicates that we are currently oversold, suggesting that we may experience a pullback before further bull-ash movement. Metcoin remains variable. Ash, because it just broke above the 200-day exponential moving average. This has occurred in the past with XTC, so there is no need for concern. If we look at the Z-score, we can see that prices are at the bottom, which means we've reached the lowest point for the time being. This retracement provides an excellent opportunity to dollar-cost average into your positions. If you gradually purchase more XTC at these prices, you will be poised for the subsequent uptrend. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that enables the creation of applications without a central server, such as smart contracts, decentralized applications on the Ethereum network, and donations through initial coin offerings have altered the way we think about and use digital contracts. Impact of Ethereum has led to innovation and inspired many other projects to build on its foundation, which has helped the crypto space as a whole to develop and flourish. Ethereum's blockchain technology is the basis for numerous applications and initiatives in its ecosystem smart contract feature to construct open, tamper-proof, and autonomous decentralized applications. This location promotes innovation in areas including decentralized finance and non-transferable tokens. Among the most important applications of Ethereum is assisting NFTs with supply chain name verification and other duties. Ethereum is used by the market to circumvent platforms. As a result of what Ethereum can do for non-fundable tokens, smart contracts to provide financial services such as loans result in the growth of decentralized markets and the creation of synthetic assets as people seek decentralized alternatives to traditional financial systems. Device growth has increased the value and significance of Ethereum. In disciplines such as digital art and video games, NFTs, which are distinct digital assets that prove ownership or authenticity of digital and physical objects, have become extremely popular. Collectibles and intellectual property rights, because it is reliable and functions well with other blockchains. As Ethereum continues to evolve, its future appears extremely promising. Ethereum is the principal blockchain for NFT growth and transactions. The upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, also known as Ethereum's transition to a proof-of-stake consensus method, is expected to improve scalability, security, and energy efficiency. The cryptocurrency community has been paying close attention to this update because it could create new opportunities. Since the price of Bitcoin has risen by 2% in less than 24 hours, people are wondering what this means for those who want to buy it. Michael Saylor discussed the probability that Bitcoin will become widespread. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, discussed the growing trend of large companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor emphasized that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem and that a one-size-fits-all solution may not be feasible as Bitcoin becomes more popular in society. In a recent radio interview, Saylor outlined 3 major reasons why Bitcoins are valuable, but people are wondering what this means for buyers as the market continues to fluctuate. Since the price of Bitcoin increased by 2% in just 24 hours, we should determine whether this increase indicates that now is a good time to consider purchasing Bitcoin. Michael Saylor, The CEO of MicroStrategy stated that he sees a trend of major corporations adopting Bitcoin and making it the foundation of their business. Saylor emphasized that third parties and enterprises will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He stated that as Bitcoin becomes more prevalent in society, a one-size-fits-all solution may no longer be possible. There are three primary reasons why the Bitcoin space necessitates guardians, according to the Saylor. Saylor agreed that certain government systems may require the use of third-party guardians. On the technical side, he was aware that Layer 3 third parties such as Bank of America and Apple helped mobile crypto transfers function. Some individuals, such as the elderly or those who wish to protect their assets for future generations, may be better off entrusting their possessions to a third party. Saylor believes Bitcoin will be utilized in a variety of ways and that the market will be able to adapt from a critical perspective that government structures may demand. Dependence on third parties. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties such as Bank of America and Apple facilitate mobile crypto transfers. Some people, such as the elderly or those who want to ensure the safety of their assets for future generations, may be better off giving their possessions to someone else, according to Saylor. Saylor believes Bitcoin will integrate in a variety of ways and that the market will determine the optimal blend of institutional and decentralized components. People shouldn't be afraid of the numerous ways to integrate, he said, because the fluctuating Bitcoin market will naturally determine the optimal combination of ways to integrate. Currently, the price of Bitcoin is $29,366. Bitcoin price forecast as BTC rises 2% in 24 hours time to buy. The recent 2% increase in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has buyers wondering what it could imply for the future of the market. This raises the question of whether now is a suitable time to consider purchasing Bitcoin. Bitcoin price prediction as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, time to buy? The recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers. As the market continues to change, the question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. Saylor gave three main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians: a technical, politics, and it's only. Saylor agreed